Hello.
That's Mitchell.
Ah.
Hello.
Is he the one that's been trying to...
He's the guy that comes over here and hangs around here.
Who's the one who does the dance around the turkeys?
Dance around. Oh, is that Shepherd?
Oh, there's a tiger swallowtail butterfly.
Yeah.
Cool. So we're having our lunch now. Other people were, I think, had already had their food. We were across the creek gathering
Violets.
violets, doing some wild crafting. That's one thing I love about our farm here. There's so many plants that we can use for herbs and teas and stuff. So yes, you just have to know which ones and then do the work to pick them and dry them, and yeah. You having a good day? Good.
Spied on Liam and the little ones. And they're in his tent area. Except for one. You know? And then when they left, I took their firewood. Some of it. Shh.
Hello, Arwen.
Hi.
So some of the kids, specifically Joseph and Kaya, have been hoeing this section of ground, and we're going to plant some tomato plants.